Many people will disagree, but the truth is that achieving wealth doesn't always require a backbreaking 9-to-5 job. Instead, it simply streams from how wisely you utilize every single dollar. The harsh reality still remains that most individuals shy away from investing the time to understand the fundamentals of wealth building. They prefer to wallow in complaints about their situation. However, if you're serious about success, pay close attention to these 5 powerful income strategies and investment plans designed to elevate your wealth. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, now is the time. Join us to gain exclusive access to invaluable secrets that will change your financial status forever. Welcome back to Success Rebels TV, and let's ignite your journey toward an extraordinary life. Number 1. Open a high-yield savings account. What do I mean when I say this? Protection against inflation. In today's world, inflation is an undeniable reality. However, a smart way to combat it is to park your money in a place that moves up when inflation increases. It's more than just a safe place. It's a way to ensure that your hard-earned cash grows in value, even as inflation rises. With a high-yield savings account, you can rest easy knowing that your money is protected, while still remaining accessible for your needs. But don't stop there. Make the most of the interest you earn. Consider reinvesting that interest into stocks or real estate. This approach turns your idle funds into a powerful growth engine, ensuring that your money isn't just sitting stagnant, but actively working for you. It's an excellent strategy for maintaining your emergency fund with zero risk to your principal, all while outpacing traditional banking options. If you're thinking about ways to make money while you do nothing, then a high-yield savings account is the answer. Another strategy you can deploy on the road to financial liberation is having multiple income streams. Number 2. Develop streams of positive income. Most people believe that having a single stable job is enough. After all, doesn't stability bring peace of mind? But let's be honest, true stability is an illusion in today's fast-paced world. There is no stability in anything. The only real security comes from diversifying your income streams. Imagine knowing that when one door closes, several others are waiting to be open. Life is unpredictable, and embracing that is crucial. Multiple income streams offer a safety net that shields you from financial uncertainty. Here's the best part: you don't have to take on extra work to achieve this. It's simple. Start by strategically diversifying your idle cash. Invest in companies that pay dividends. While you continue your daily routine, watch as your money appreciates over time. Picture this: a portion of your funds thriving in a robust company, while another chunk flows into real estate. This strategy isn't just about creating wealth, it's about liberating your time and easing the weight of financial worry from your shoulders, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. This helps to create a balance, and that is what provides the actual security you desire. Number 3. The next thing you want to do is develop a budget. Without a well-defined plan, even the grandest of ideas can crumble into mere fantasies. What you need is a strategic blueprint that shows where your hard-earned dollars will go and how they'll bring you closer to your financial goals. Let's face it, earning and spending money can be thrilling, but it can also lead to a rapid depletion of funds. One moment you're flush with $1,000, the next you're left with just $10 and nothing tangible to show for it. This is why budgeting is not just important, it's essential. It reveals the truth about your spending habits, allowing you to assess whether your choices serve you positively or negatively. By closely monitoring your finances, you'll better understand your limits and capabilities, which act as your safety net in uncertain times. A well-constructed budget will empower you not only when purchasing a home or extinguishing debts, but also when enjoying a stress-free financial life. So before you dip into that next paycheck, take the time to distinguish between what's essential and what isn't. Let go of unnecessary expenses and pave the way for a healthier lifestyle. Number 4. Become a silent partner in a business. What does it mean to be a silent partner? This involves investing a portion of your money in a thriving company in exchange for a share of the profits, while remaining hands-off. As a silent partner, you can enjoy the fruits of your investment without the burden of daily operations or decision-making. This unique investment strategy not only allows you to visualize how your money is utilized, but also minimizes risks and enhances stability. Compare this to the unpredictability of stocks or real estate, where you may never truly understand where your funds are allocated. With a silent partnership, your original investment can breed substantial returns, while you sit back and watch your wealth grow effortlessly. In a world increasingly hungry for passive income opportunities, being a silent partner is one of the smartest moves you can make. Earn money without the grind, and let your finances blossom while you embrace life on your terms. I mean, who doesn't want more money? Now, let's conclude by adding this last secret we have uncovered to help you make passive income, which is to ultimate rebel strategy. Invest in a skill that will make you more valuable. While many believe the key to wealth lies in real estate or stocks, there is truth in that. However, the most impactful investment you can make is in yourself. As the old adage goes, your skill set determines your value. By enhancing your abilities, you gain the power to shape your worth in the marketplace. Elevating your skill set positions you strategically in your field, making you indispensable to employers. In an ever-evolving world, continuous adaptation is vital for relevance and success. Focus on skills that are not only in demand, but also align with your passions. Build a strong portfolio, engage in meaningful projects, and when you're confident in your expertise, seize the opportunity to monetize your skills. Now, once all these strategies are implemented, your life starts looking like the future you dreamed of. Always remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's what you do with it. Start putting in the effort, and tomorrow we'll speak of the work you did today. Did you find these insights valuable? Share which strategy you'll embrace in your life today in the comments. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? Before you go, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We'll be back next Sunday with more insight.